Welcome to my newest listing. I'm talking a short scooter ride to everything, including 5 minutes to downtown Raleigh. You are gonna love this home. It is modern, it is sleek, it is cool, it has several wow factors. Amazing house, one of my favorite listings. Let's check this house out. The moment you walk in, you're greeted by a modern kitchen, crisp, sleek lines with a minimalist vibe. Your oversized island with waterfall edge design is perfect for your next cocktail soiree. An open floor plan seamlessly flows from one room to the next, highlighted by engineered hardwoods throughout and expansive windows for light-filled rooms. You even have EV charging in your one-car garage. On the second floor, you have 2 guest bedrooms, each with their own style and flair. The primary suite continues with the contemporary energy found throughout the home, with LED lighting and even a private outdoor deck. Even have a 3rd floor bonus room. I mean, 3rd floor, rooftop, private terrace. It does not get any better than that, right? I want to buy this house. Modern, sleek, 3rd floor private rooftop terrace, 3rd floor bonus room, make that whatever you want, 3 bedrooms, 2.5 baths, smart, energy efficient. It's even got an EV charger in the garage, and you are a stone's throw from anywhere you want to go. 5 minutes to downtown Raleigh, 7-minute drive to NC State. You are a 90-second drive to get on I-40, which will take you anywhere. This house has it all. For more information, reach out to the Coley Group.